Welcome, crafting enthusiasts. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey of creativity as we transform ordinary dollar bills into stunning paper flowers. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this fun and unique craft. To begin, take your first dollar bill and let's dive into the first step. We're going to valley cross the left edge to the bottom edge, like so. Next, let's valley fold to the right side, creating a crisp edge for our flower petals. Now, valley fold the right edge to the left, maintaining symmetry and precision in our folds. With me so far, great. Now, let's cross valley fold the bill in half to form the foundation of our flower. Moving right along, fold the edges to the center, creating defined petals for our flower to bloom. Now, fold the bottom edges to the center, adding dimension and texture to our paper creation. Ready for a bit of magic? Let's squash fold the tip, bringing our flower to life with a delightful flourish. Now, repeat these steps with 7 more dollar bills to create a total of 8 petals for our flower. Once all 8 petals are ready, it's time to assemble our flower. Insert each part into the other, forming a beautiful bouquet of dollar bill blooms. Lastly, let's make a reverse fold and fold the bottom part up to secure the knot. ensuring our flower stays intact and ready to impress. And there you have it, folks. A stunning flower made entirely from dollar bills. Get creative with your colors and patterns to make each bloom truly unique. Thanks for joining me on this crafting adventure. Until next time, happy crafting!